Bakit ba?
Ikaw ang dahilan kung bakit ako nagka-problema! Salot ka sa buhay ko!
Ano bang ugali meron ka? Narito ako para iligtas ka!
Sinabi ko bang gawin mo?
Ikaw lang nakakagawa sa akin yan.
Dahil mga stupido sila!
Ang pinaka-controversial kay Sanchay kasi may napili na ako, pero dalawa yung napagpilian. Natapos na namin yung episode 1 para dito sa napili kong Sanchay. Sabi, pwede bang humanap tayo ng ibang Sanchay?
Oh no, isang
Yun.
episode na yun.
Natapos na namin.
Natapos na pala.
Eto, estudyante ko rin.
Okay.
From Miriam, dinala ko rin sa dubbing. And siya yung naging Sanchay, si Cynthia Villanueva.
Okay. Cynthia Villanueva. Hanapin natin. Oo.
Yes.
At sino ang nakakasama doon?
Siya na yung naging queen of telenovela tayo. Siya si Marimar ng channel to.
Siya din si Marimar pala.
Yes.
Okay.
Wow,
so kilala
Batikan
na
talaga.
siya. Batikan na siya.
Cynthia
Pero
siya kagaling.
Cynthia Villanueva.
Ganun siya
Medyo hindi
kagaling.
na talaga ako masyado.
Puro main characters, ha?
Oo.
Ano? Bukas na? Bukas na ang alis mo? Bakit hindi mo sinasabi sa akin? Ang sama mo!
Hello everyone! Ako po si Cynthia Villanueva Bartholomew. Mas kilala ko Cynthia Villanueva. Ako po ay isang dubber.
I think I would say the very memorable one was Meteor Garden. Ako po yung nag-dub kay Sanchay. I'm sure some of you might know already. Yun po yung talagang phenomenal. Kasi parang, I think parang bago pa lang ang ano nun eh. It was a Taiwanese telenovela. Pero bago pa lang yung mga ganong klase, yung Korean novela, yung mga ganyan. Nag-uumpisa pa lang at that time. And of course, it was a very good material. Ganda ng storya, so maraming nakaka-relate. Yung ganon, pati kami mga dubbers talaga naman. Naapektuhan din kami ng mga kadramahan ng mga characters namin. So it was really a fun experience and we learned a lot. And yung bonus na lang po yung nakuha namin feedback from the people na it was well loved and pati kami nahawa dun sa yung fame ng material na dinadub namin, ng mga characters namin. But at the end of it all, syempre trabaho lang yon. Pero yung value na nakuha namin, yung values na nakuha namin dun sa work was more than the salary we had. And yung friendship namin, yung pagiging pamilya ng bawat isa, na hanggang ngayon, after, how many years was that? It was more than 20 years, right? So, hanggang ngayon, ganyan pa rin kami, samahan namin, ganun pa rin. So, walang nagbago, alam mo yun, para kaming nahiwalay lang ng isang araw. I think ang pinakauna kong dubbing nun, ano pa yun, minor character lang ako doon, pero Secret Garden. Tapos nag-dub din kami ng Ray Earth. Tapos meron din, yung telenovela na, yung Mexican telenovela, yung kay Talia, Maria Mercedes. Yun. Tapos dinub ko rin yung Alondra. I think that was my last one before I left. And it was all so much fun. Marami ako nakilala, marami ako naging kaibigan because of this field. And I really value this industry. This has now become an industry, and I'm so glad that some people, is really elevating the standard of dubbing. So katulad nitong ginagawa nila Choi, merong ni Pocholo Gonzales na nagkakaroon ng academy, ng school. So sinishare yung opportunity to new kids, to mga new generation, which is, I think, is really a good thing. Kasi nagkakaroon ng legacy. We're gonna grow old and just eventually fade off. But yung legacy na naiwan namin sa bagong generasyon, yun yung nagmamatter. And I think that's really what it is about. Share the experience, share the blessing, share the opportunity. And ngayon ko lang na-realize na marami palang nag-aspire to become a voice talent. And I'm so glad that they have that dream of becoming one and, to be heard and to say something. And yung mabigyan sila ng opportunity to become one is, I think it's a really good thing. Sana magtuloy-tuloy and yun, sa lahat ng mga naging kasama ko, naging kaibigan, naging kapamilya dito sa dubbing. I really admire you all. I adore you for your passion and for your commitment to the field. Believe nga ako sa inyo. Kasi talagang from then on till now, you know, you've perfected the craft, and I think that's what it should be. Nabibigyan ng opportunity yung mga bata, nabibigyan ng opportunity yung voiceless, at even I think yung mga PWD nabibigyan din ng opportunity to you know, to become a voice talent. Meron pa ako nakikita, may bulag pa na gustong maging voice talent. Unbelievable, di ba? So yung mga ganun na ano, it's na advocacy. I would say, you know, it's become an advocacy. Nare-reach out sila. That is a really good thing.
So, pero may isang episode pala, ngayon ko nalaman, may isang episode doon sa Meteor Garden na iba yung Sunshine. Lumabas din yun or pinalitan din yung first episode?
Hindi na. First episode
Hindi na, okay.
Pero, siya si Princess Yesha.
Yung
naging
season 2,
season 2.
naging fiancé ni
habang
may amnesia. Naging part pa rin siya. Okay, sino yung naging kasama niyo doon? I believe si Sir Choi, si Pocholo Gonzales.
Siya yung tatay ni Sunshine.
Ayan.